Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu or Idle Chinese shopping app and your Alipay. And in this video, I will show you on how to add Xianyu into Alipay home screen for quick and easy access to Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Alipay. After you open up your Alipay, click on search right here. Then go ahead and type in Xianyu and hit on search. Then go ahead and click on here. Then it's going to take you to Xianyu homepage right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on these three dots right here from the top. Next thing you want to do is to click on these three dots right here from the top. And this is going to pump up right here. Go ahead and click on Add to Home. This is going to pump up. Go ahead and click on Confirm. Go ahead and click on OK. Add successful. By the time I exit from here now, and I go back to my Alipay, so adding successful. Let's go back to the Alipay homepage. So here we go. We have our Xianyu app right here in our Alipay. So we can easily click on here now to open up our Xianyu app. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Xianyu Chinese shopping app and your Alipay, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.